Man, it's early. Bill here. All right, keys. All right, let's do this. See the moon up there? So I think we got here just in time. Throwing a stick shad Sabil. Seems like everyone else is either throwing topwater or the same thing, stick shad. You can tell by the noise from the lure hitting the water. It really sounds like you're throwing a whole fish out there. Those other guys are casting just as far as I am, so that's a good sign too. You can really hear lures hitting the water all over the place here. We did have a seal roll through here not too long ago, so hopefully that's not a bad sign. So look how thick that fog just came in literally a minute. I can barely see those guys down there. Alright, so I think we're gonna try a different spot here before it gets too late in the morning. And we'll have to see how it goes. It was a beautiful sunrise. You can still see the fog on the canal there. So let's see what happens. We're gonna try this. There's a couple that were just fishing here, and they just left, so I took over their spot. Here's Miss Julie, an old boat that used to be in Winchmere Harbor when I was a kid. An old lobster boat. So far, no luck. Only a couple people caught some stuff. A lot of boat activity too. It's getting hot. Well, I decided to call it quits because losing that plug's a wicked bummer. So it seemed like everyone else was kind of calling it quits. So I'm gonna do the walk of shame all the way back. Maybe see if anybody else caught anything. Hey Alex, you get anything?
Holy moly! I don't recognize you.
I haven't changed much.
You get young, I get old.
That's not true. You don't look a day older.
What's happening?
No, I just figured I'd give it a try.
Yeah, I think it's the tie screwed up.
Well, a recap from today. It was a beautiful morning, a lot of fog on the canal. Saw one fish break. Probably should have been using top water then, but I remained to stay with the stick shad until we got to the west end. When we got to the west end, I decided to go top water because I think it was a little shallower there, and looked like there was a lot of bait fish around. So, but no luck in the west end. Moved back to the east end, far east on the all the way out to the jetty. No luck. That's where I lost my topwater plug, which gets you kind of discouraged. So, anyways, gonna restock on the topwater, and we'll try it again.